So, hello friends, a few months ago I swapped some lenses, and then among the lenses I got on the swap there was this really nice portrait lens, which is a Nikkor 135mm f3.5. It is non-IS, but well, this is not a big deal, and this can be fixed just by grinding a bit this part, so I think I will be doing that eventually, or I will sell the lens, I don't know yet. Okay, so I got this lens in a swap, and then as you can see, this one has a mild infestation fungus, and then it is also a bit dirty inside. Probably you can see it here. Yeah. Let me focus on the right plane and then get some light, and then yeah, you can see that dust inside. And then on the back here, while I was rehearsing for showing you how to disassemble the lens, I saw also this little point there. Doesn't make it, yeah, that point there. And then that is some fungus spore, I think, because it has some kind of halo around it. So we're going to open this lens, and then we're going to get all that fixed. Okay, so as you might have already noticed, I already removed the rubber ring which I have here, and then I did it because this part always takes some time, and then it is crucial to remove it in order to disassemble this lens, because just behind the rubber ring there is this small screw here that you need to move a bit. I already took it out, so and this is why I'm not turning it, but here it is. I have the small screw, and then what this screw does is that it locks this ring here, and then it takes a lot of screwing, and then once you get this ring to remove, then you have to move the lens to a minimum focusing distance, and then here you find another screw which you simply need to get loose. You don't have to remove it actually. You just get it loose, and then this part comes out really nicely, as you can see. And then from here the work is rather simple. I can remove the complete optical assembly, and then I have the mechanical assembly here. The mechanical assembly is okay, so but if your lens is blocked or whatever, this is the way to go. You just remove the optical assembly, and then you can clean it. Yeah, I think you can remove probably this key here. Well, no, I think you can remove this ring here, and then you get access to remove the barrel, and then yeah, you will be able to grease it if it is blocked. This one is okay, and then what we're going to do is to concentrate on the optical assembly, which is made I believe this lens is made of like the 105mm, only of 4 lenses, and this means micro contrast and sharpness should be in the rendezvous. So, but we will see that just after. And then things we want to access is this front element here, which has the fungus. And then to do so, this is very straightforward. You need to unscrew this, but then there is some glue here, so you before unscrewing this part, and you need to dissolve the screw. And then this is what I did previously. This is isopropyl alcohol 100%, and then I just put some alcohol, let it act for a few minutes, and then you have to force a bit. Try to use gloves. I used gloves just not to damage my hands. And then you get to remove this ring here, and then the lens should come out easily. You see here. Okay, this is the lens, and then this is the lens with fungus, and then we will be able to clean it. And then the other lens, which is dirty, is here and next to the aperture blades. So what we're going to do is, let me keep this in position just to avoid that dust coming in. Is we're going to we're going to remove the back. Once again, there's a hole here, and then there is some glue. Once again, I put some isopropyl alcohol and let it act for a few minutes, and then I was able to unscrew this part, and then with this part remove, you will be able to access the aperture ring. You see, it felt. The aperture ring, which is here of the blades, and then you see, as usual, the dust is collecting just next to the blades, since there are some openings here which let's pass dust, and then after a few years you get this. So we're going to clean this. If you have a problem of dirty blades, I think you can clean it this way as well. I think the lens, to remove them, you need to come from this side and remove this ring here. There's glue here. We don't need to do that because the lens is only dirty here and the blades are clean, but if your problem is this, you probably need to remove this ring and then the lens which is here, and quite a few things, but it doesn't seem impossible to disassemble. Okay, so that's for the parts we wanted to disassemble. Now we can proceed to the cleaning, and then as usual I will go and get my cleaning stuff. So see you in a few seconds. Okay, so hello friends, I am back. I think I have everything I need for the cleaning. So blowing peer, isopropyl alcohol 100%, some diluted isopropyl alcohol, and optical cleaning paper. This is the kind of thing you want to pay that $1 more just for the quality, because it makes a big deal. Small cup just to move the paper around, and then a small brush here, and then also this thing, which is just to hold this lens that we're going to clean just now. So okay, so as I recall, this lens is the one which has the fungus, so I'm going to put some diluted alcohol here. I'm going to cut myself a piece of paper, because this thing I like to save it. And then in the beginning I was wasting some, but then by using just the complete sheets, but then I realized good quality one is not really easy to find. So yeah, I started saving it. Okay, so let's hope this will get the fungus away. I think it will. So speaking about fungus, people use a lot of this mixture of hydrogen peroxide, and then I saw the other day a video in which the guy was using isopropyl alcohol 97% with 3% hydrogen peroxide, which is pretty much the same thing as isopropyl alcohol. And then okay, fungus was killed, so it was the hydrogen peroxide or the 97% alcohol. I don't know, but so far I have been always using only isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the fungus, and so far it has worked really nice for me. Okay, so this is the first lens, and then I cannot show you, but I think the fungus is away. Okay, then we had this part which had only a small spore there. I'm just going to blow it because there is something that I have learned recently is if you don't have to come and clean the glass, just don't. If it is okay, just blowing it, just blow it, because yeah, when the guys made the lenses, they use strong cleaning agents, and then okay, what I mean is you are not going to be able to get the same level of cleanness of the original lenses. So if you need to blow, just blow, and that's it. Okay, so that's it, and then this is the last part, and then we'll be pretty much done. Okay, so we cleaned what we wanted to clean. We can go back and reassemble the lens. So we can do it just now. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is it. I need to put this ring back. I'm not going to put the glue again. I think just by tightening it is okay. Then put this. Your optical assembly is good for another 40 years. Then here there is only just, you only need to pay some attention when reassembling, because you have this fork here, which is yeah, is made to get this part, this pin here, which is the pin which moves the aperture, as I'm doing here. So just to assemble, you just make sure you are in the smallest aperture. You do the same thing on the optical side, and then yeah, just simply make sure you're in, and then you get to this indentation here, and then you're done. Just to make sure everything is working okay, we check that this is working. It is, and then yeah, we're done. We just need to finish with this screw here. Ah no, wait, I forgot this. You need to put this. I was saying to myself, something's missing. Okay, so you put this. You just tighten a bit. Then you put this element back. You turn for a while. and then you put back the rubber, and then you're pretty much done. Okay, this was a filter just because I lost the cap. Okay, I just need to clean this lens, but the lens is pretty much clean. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.